Om Shri Matre Namaha. Hello my divine viewers, hope you all are doing well. Welcome back to Vedic Dream Meaning. In today's video, we will learn about a very special topic, the Bharani Nakshatra. Bharani is the second nakshatra in the Rashis, known for its transformative energy, creativity and strong willpower. We are going to discuss about the meaning of Bharani Nakshatra, its symbolism, the personality traits, how it influences career, relationships, the challenges you normally face, and not only that, like always, we will also provide you with some easy solutions that you can implement right at your home to strengthen your nakshatra and tap into its full potential. Trust me, we are revealing some unique points that probably you wouldn't find in Google. So if you're curious to know that how Bharani Nakshatra shapes those born under it, stay tuned. And as always, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell icon for more such astrology updates. Before we start looking into Bharani specifically, let's talk about nakshatras in general for basic understanding. In Vedic astrology, the 12 Rashis are further divided into 27 nakshatras or stars, each spanning 13 degrees and 20 minutes. These nakshatras add a layer of depth and specificity to a person's personality, especially in areas related to the moon sign. While Rashis provide a broad characteristic, nakshatras will give you some intricate details about one's nature, their strengths, karmic tendencies, etc. Let's make it easy. For example, the address says Bangalore, then nakshatras indicate where in Bangalore the person is living. Is it Indiranagar? Is it Malleshwaram? Is it Basveshnagar? Etc. These nakshatras are further divided into 4 padas, each possessing distinct characteristics and influences which will add more clarity. For example, it's like saying 100 feet road in Indiranagar. Each nakshatra is associated with a symbol, a ruler and specific qualities which will combine to give you a fuller understanding of an individual's personality. The nakshatra of the moon at the time of your birth is particularly important as it will reflect your core emotional nature, instincts and overall outlook at life. Bharani spans from 13 degrees 20 minutes to 26 degrees 40 minutes in Aries or Mesha Rashi and is ruled by the planet Venus. It is symbolized by the yoni, which is the womb, and is associated with birth, transformation and a nurturing energy. Symbol, yoni or the womb. The symbol of Bharani is the womb, which represents birth, creation and transformation. This nakshatra is closely connected to the cycle of life and death, which shows the power you have to withstand challenges and create something that is new. So this symbolism reflects the creative potential in you and the resilience of those born under this Bharani Nakshatra. Presiding deity is Lord Yama, who is the Lord of Death. Bharani is ruled by Lord Yama, the god of death, and Dharma, which is justice. Lord Yama's influence makes this nakshatra deeply connected to transformation, morality, justice, and acceptance of life's realities. People with Bharani influence will often have a strong sense of justice, will follow ethical principles, and they will have the ability to face the life's challenges with courage. Planetary ruler is Venus. Bharani is governed by Venus, the planet of love, beauty and creativity, as we all know. This gives Bharani people a very passionate, a very artistic and sensual nature. So they will often try to find beauty and harmony in their surroundings, in their homes, in their relationships, etc. Venus will also give them a touch of charm and there'll be some sort of magnetism, making Bharani people naturally very attractive and captivating as well. Element fire. Bharani belongs to the fire sign Mesha, which is ruled by the planet Mars, which gives a very fiery and dynamic energy to these people. People born under Bharani Nakshatra are often bold, ambitious and determined to achieve their goals. The fire element will also add intensity to their emotions and actions, which makes them very passionate, very energetic and aggressive in their actions. Strong-willed and determined. Bharani natives are known for their inner strength and self-determination. They have the ability to face challenges, they will persist in the challenge, and they will always come out stronger. Whether in personal life or in the career, they don't back down easily, and they are always very driven to achieve their goals. Bharani Nakshatra people are little unpredictable, and it's not very easy to judge their character in one go. In other words, they are not open books. And you all know a fun fact about these people? They love to have food that is piping hot. Creative and artistic. With Venus as a ruling planet, Bharani individuals are naturally inclined towards art, beauty, and creativity. They have a great sense of aesthetics and they do well in creative fields like music, dance, painting, or even design. The creative energy can also be seen in their personal styling, home decor, or even the way they communicate. It's normally believed that if the first kid in the family is girl and is in Bharani Nakshatra, then it is considered lucky for the parents. We all know that Bharani's symbol is female womb, but did you all know that Bharani is also associated with the traditional mud stove, which is also known as chula, vole, or even adupu. Therefore, keeping your stove, of course, nowadays no one uses mud stove, so whatever stove you have, keeping it clean at night and after cooking especially is very important for you. Passionate and pleasure-seeking. Bharani people have a strong connection to their emotions and desires. They are deeply passionate people and they often bring some intensity to the relationships. Their romantic nature makes them very affectionate and loving partners. Venus is also strongly connected with enjoyment and pleasures of life. So you may have a love for luxury, comfort, and a desire to experience them. This could range from enjoying fine dining, beautiful surroundings, having a love for travel, or even indulging in artistic hobbies. Of course, based on the position of Venus and the other planets, the degree to which you desire them may vary. Ethical and moral. The influence of Lord Yama gives Bharani people a strong sense of justice and morality. They are often seen as people who stand up for what is right and have a deep respect for truth and justice. So we can notice that from their childhood, they will be someone who prefers to follow the rules and avoids breaking them, or for that matter, not even allow their friends or others to break them as well. Transformative energy. Bharani is associated with birth, death, and rebirth, which is represented by the yoni, which stands for creation, and the presiding deity, Lord Yama, who is the god of death. This makes these people very naturally inclined towards transformation and growth. So Bharani-born people at some point would have gone through some transformative experience in their life. They often go through some major life changes that will push them towards personal evolution. Of course, they will definitely face a challenge and come out stronger, but for this, they have to undergo a transformative experience, which is crucial for them in their life. So this transformation could be either personal or professional related, career related, or even studies. Bharani people often excel in professions that requires creativity, resilience, and the ability to nurture something or transform something. So they will do well in creative fields like art, music, and design, healing and counseling. With the influence of the presiding deity, Lord Yama, they will also do well in fields like law and justice-related professions. Since they have a very strong sense of judgment, this will also make them excellent leaders, capable of inspiring others, and creating some sort of meaningful change like entrepreneurship, managerial positions, or authoritative roles. Another factor is that since Bharani is associated with yoni, as we discussed earlier, you would do well in child-related professions like gynecologists, fertility clinics, child specialists, child care, or even selling child-based products, etc. In relationships, Bharani natives are passionate, loyal, and deeply committed. They value emotional and physical intimacies, and they look for partners who can match their intensity due to the influence of Venus. Also, there are chances that Bharani-born people could get into relationships at a very early stages of life. Again, that depends on other planets as well, especially the influence of the moon. However, their fiery nature can sometimes make them very possessive or demanding in relationships. So finding a balance is the key here, and it is very important for you to sustain in relationships. Bharani is most compatible with nakshatras that can balance its intensity and energy and shares its value of growth and transformation. So Kritika, Rohini, and other Venus-ruled nakshatras are often a good match for Bharani. Intense emotions and overwhelming. The intense emotions and the fiery energy of Bharani can sometimes make you prone to emotional overwhelm. You may start feeling things too deeply and struggle to balance your emotions. Also, like Ashwini natives, since Bharani falls under Mesha Rashi, that is ruled by Mars or Chevai, they tend to be very impulsive in actions and they would make some hasty decisions. Stubbornness. While the determination is a strength, it can sometimes manifest as stubbornness or an unwillingness to compromise. So this can create conflicts in relationships or it will be a problem in teamwork. Also, it is common that girls born in Bharani Nakshatra will most likely have thyroid issues since Bharani is associated with the throat area. People born in this nakshatra normally face throat-related issues like throat wounds, food getting caught in the throat, or tonsils, etc. Struggles with authority. Bharani people value independence and they often dislike being controlled or restricted. This can lead to challenges in dealing with authority figures, whether at work or in personal life. Also, while making friends, they would normally choose people who are comparatively lesser than them, maybe in terms of qualifications, money, position, looks, etc. They normally tend to have a very small social circle. Bharani natives either will like someone or they will dislike someone. There is no middle path for them. Overindulgence. With Venus as a ruling planet, Bharani natives may have a tendency to indulge in pleasures and luxuries. If this goes unchecked, it can lead to materialism or even issues with maintaining balance in life. Even when it comes to food, these people will like to feast on extravagant food. The transformative energy of Bharani can often push them to take some risks in life, but the fear of performance can sometimes hold them back from fully showing their potential. Health. Since Bharani is linked to yoni or the womb, they need to be very careful regarding reproductive related disorders, problems during childbirth, periods problems, urinary bladder, kidney-based issues, etc. So taking care of these organs is very crucial for Bharani-born natives. Like always in our channel, we not only discuss about the challenges, we also provide you with some simple remedies you can follow that will strengthen your nakshatra and tap into its full potential. So to receive blessings and tap into the positive energies of Bharani Nakshatra, the deity you can worship is Goddess Durga, especially the Ashtabhuja Durga Devi or Vishnu Durga. Praying to Goddess Durga and lighting lamps in Durga temple before starting any new task will prove to be helpful for you. To enhance your blessings, wearing a pearl near the throat area as a necklace or a pendant will prove beneficial to you, as Bharani is ruled by planet Venus, which is blessed by Goddess Mahalakshmi. You can also wear deer printed clothes or clothes with brand logos that have deer in them, deer pendant, or even have symbols of deer in the form of art pieces at home. If you're starting any ritual or puja as a Bharani born person, try starting it particularly on full moon days, as this will prove beneficial to you, because we all know about the connection between Goddess Durga and the full moon. Also remember, Agni and Bharani Nakshatra go hand in hand. So my suggestion would be, before starting any new task or taking any sankalpa or starting a resolution, you can start by lighting lamps in temple before God, and this will increase your chances of the wish fulfillment. Your favorable colors are yellow, sky blue, the pink color of the lotus, and pure white. Okay, I hope this video was helpful. We will discuss the other nakshatras in the upcoming videos. To get notified, do subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell. If you have any thoughts you would like to share about Bharani Nakshatra, please do leave your comments. We appreciate your likes and comments. Namaskaram.